Welcome to the next session in the planning domain. In this video, we shift from identifying stakeholders to understanding how to engage with them effectively throughout the initiative. Module 4.3 builds directly on the previous session, where we explored how to identify and analyze stakeholders. If you haven't watched Module 4.2 yet, I recommend starting there, as the insights gained from stakeholder analysis form the foundation for developing a tailored and effective engagement approach. In this session, we'll examine the strategies and techniques that help business analysts work constructively with different stakeholder groups. We'll look at how to tailor communication and engagement methods based on levels of influence, interest, and expectations, ensuring that each stakeholder receives the right information in the right format at the right time. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to design engagement strategies that build trust, promote collaboration, and support successful requirements development across any delivery environment.
Once we've identified and analyzed our stakeholders, the next step is to design tailored engagement strategies. This is where we move from simply knowing who the stakeholders are to actively planning how we will work with them. Engagement is not one size fits all. Different stakeholders need different approaches. For example, senior executives often prefer concise updates through dashboards or executive briefings, while end users might respond better to interactive workshops or hands-on prototypes. Similarly, regulators may require formal documentation and evidence, whereas agile development teams prefer quick stand-ups and informal check-ins. There are a number of methods available: workshops for collaboration and consensus building, one-on-one interviews for deeper insights, surveys to capture broader perspectives, or structured decision-making frameworks to resolve conflicts. The goal is to ensure that stakeholders feel heard, involved, and committed throughout the initiative. The output of this work is the stakeholder engagement and communication approach. This document or artifact sets out who we will engage with, how we will engage them, and when that engagement should take place. For example, you might decide that a project sponsor receives monthly steering committee updates, while frontline staff participate in fortnightly feedback sessions. Let's consider a real-world example. Imagine a government department rolling out a new online tax system. If the engagement strategy only focuses on internal staff and misses the small business community, the solution might look efficient on paper but fail in practice, because the people who actually file taxes are not comfortable with the new system. By involving them early, through targeted outreach sessions, you create not only better requirements but also smoother adoption. Strong engagement strategies do more than prevent resistance; they build ownership and trust. When stakeholders see their input reflected in the solution, they are far more likely to support it. Now that we've looked at how to engage stakeholders effectively, let's explore how we bring all of this together in a structured way through developing the business analysis plan.